My name is Phil Nelson. I'm a firearm law attorney and one of the co-founders of Legal Heat, the nation's largest firearm training company. Today I've teamed up with Sportsman's Warehouse to discuss some of the most common questions new gun owners have related to firearms and firearm laws. Specifically, in this video, we're going to discuss how to transport a firearm legally through an airport or a commercial airline. Each year, hundreds of thousands of gun owners legally transport firearms using commercial airlines in the United States. Unfortunately, several thousand are also arrested for attempting to transport their firearms in a prohibited manner. Although the process of transporting a firearm through an airport is fairly simple, failure to do it correctly can result in significant legal penalties. Under current TSA regulations, you may transport unloaded firearms in a locked, hard-sided container as checked baggage only. Everything firearm related must be in your checked luggage, never your carry-on. This includes all firearms, functioning, replica, or toy, and firearm accessories including magazines and ammunition. If you are traveling with a firearm through an airport, we recommend you follow these 8 steps. Step number 1, declare the firearm and/or ammunition to the airline when checking your bag at the ticket counter. Step number 2, when traveling, comply with the laws concerning possession of firearms at your place of destination and departure, as they may vary by local, state, and international governments. Step number 3, declare each firearm each time you present it for transport as checked luggage. Ask your airline about limitations or fees that may apply. Step number 4, firearms must be unloaded and locked in a hard-sided container. Remove the magazine from any firearms even though the magazine might be unloaded. Under federal law, a firearm may be considered loaded if it has a magazine inserted in the firearm. The container itself must be completely secure. Locked cases that can be easily opened are not permitted. If one side of the container can be pried open, it will not comply with the secure container rule and you will not be allowed to check your firearm. Step number 5, only the passenger should retain the key or combination to the lock unless TSA personnel request the key to open the firearm container and ensure compliance with TSA regulations. You may use any brand or type of lock to secure your firearm case, including TSA recognized locks. Step number 6, firearm parts, including magazines, bolts, and firing pins, are prohibited in carry-on luggage, but may be transported in checked baggage. Step 7, anything firearm related, including firearm replicas, toys, or anything else that might be interpreted as a firearm may be transported in checked baggage only. Step 8, rifle scopes and other optics are permitted in carry-on and checked baggage. Ammunition is prohibited in carry-on baggage but may be transported in checked luggage. Firearm magazines, whether loaded or empty, must be securely boxed or included within a hard-sided case containing an unloaded firearm. Small arms ammunition, including ammunition not exceeding .75 caliber and shotgun shells of any gauge, may be carried in the same hard-sided case as the firearms, so long as the ammunition itself is not in a firearm. If you'd like more information about the topic discussed in this video or any other firearm-related topics, you can visit legalheat.com, sportsmans.com, or stop into a Sportsman's store today to sign up for a class.